criteria and qualification required to join Indian Army.
The realized dreams of Lily Taryang, a resident of Hawaii Poi village under Amlaram CNRD Block West Jaintia Hills District, echoed as Additional Deputy Commissioner and Project Director of DRDA West Jaintia Hills, FB Basan, along with collaborators, ceremoniously handed over the house to her yesterday. The house was built under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin Pmay with the aid of Jaintia Hills Development Society through Kublai, Germany, and with the support of various stakeholders. FB Basan informed that the PMAYG is a flagship mission of the Indian government to provide housing to the rural poor. Kong Lily and her husband expressed profound joy and extend heartfelt gratitude to their generous benefactors. The TMSC